Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where I show you how to make money online in 2023. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a new and exciting way to earn money online. You can earn up to $5 per minute by just using your phone. Yes, you heard that right. So, let's get started. The app we will be using is called Money Making app. This app allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks using your phone. It is completely free to download and use. The first thing you need to do is download the app from the App Store and sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see all the available tasks. There are various tasks available on the app, such as watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, and more. But the most exciting task is the high-paying task. This task requires you to listen to a phone call for 1 minute and provide feedback. The task pays $5 per minute, which means you can earn up to $300 in just an hour. To complete the task, simply click on the high-paying task button and wait for a phone call. Once you receive the call, listen carefully and provide honest feedback. Once you have completed the task, the money will be added to your account instantly. But wait, that's not all. The app also has a referral program, which means you can earn money by referring your friends and family. For each person you refer, you will receive a commission of 20% of their earnings. So, there you have it, folks. A simple and easy way to earn money using your phone. The Money Making app is a great way to make extra cash in your spare time. So, download the app today and start earning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.